Welcome back. Make yourself at home. Have a seat. How are you? I am fine. What do you do? I am a trader. What do you sell? I sell all the products. Do you know that? I don't know. Can you repeat that? Speak slowly. I can't hear you. Repeat it again. Can you help me? I need a help. I am happy for you. What are you looking for? Did you see it? Please give me that. What are you doing right now? Let's go together. Let's chat on WhatsApp. Do you think about it? Please tell me what you want. I am listening to you. I have been sleeping. Where do you live? How long it takes me? How are things? How much do you need? How often do you work? I work every day. Use your own phone. Call me back. Sit down on the chair. Please calm down. What is matter with you? What's wrong with you? I am not feeling well. I am sick. I am ill. I am not good. Where is Shara? Is Shara around? Do you see Shara? Shara is in the kitchen. Shara is cooking. Shara is going to the market. Shara is out. Shara is inside the room. She is inside the office. I don't see her. She is coming soon. You look so beautiful. Are you married? Do you have a boyfriend? You look shy. Talk to me. Look at me. I am married. I am single. I have a boyfriend. I love you. Can I have your number? Here is my number. Take me to the airport. I am going to travel. Are you alone? I am going with my family. Where are you going? We are going to England. We are going to visit our family. Sorry I am late. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. When will you come back? When do you go? Where did you come from? Did you come from USA? How is the weather like there? The weather is hot. It is cold right now. It is raining here. Come inside, it is windy outside. Come out, hurry up. I am waiting for you. Don't forget me. I forget my password. Bring your own car. Thank you so much for watching.